Most traditional floor cleaners leave behind a residue of soaps or detergents which, if left, can increase the rate of resoiling and contamination and cause slippage problems. No Rinse is an easy-to-use floor cleaner that needs no rinsing and has no soaps or detergents, leaving floors grease-free and safer. It contains specific surfactants to allow evaporation of excess water, leaving active enzymes to continue their work while leaving a streak-free finish. While soiling is still present, the enzymes will continue to work even in places that you cannot reach and will restore grout colour back to the original look in ceramic tiles. The enzyme technology destroys odours at their source by degrading all grease and food matter normally left or attracted by soap-based cleaners. Just spray on, then work in and mop back with a microfiber flat mop. Even in large commercial areas, No Rinse can be applied by a pressure sprayer for increased efficiency and removing the need for buckets. No Rinse can also be used with large commercial floor scrubbers. Light scrubbing is recommended on first application. In those hard to get to places, simply apply product at each clean and leave the enzymes to work.